In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log out and switch accounts in Base44. This is really useful if you use Base44 with more than one workspace, or if you share a computer and want to make sure you're signed in with the right account. I'll walk you through the full process step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're already signed into Base44 in your web browser. Once you're on the main Base44 dashboard, look towards the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile icon there. Depending on your setup, this might be a small circle with your initials, your profile picture, or a generic user icon. Go ahead and move your mouse to that profile icon and click it. When you click on the profile icon, a small menu will appear. This menu usually contains options related to your account, such as your profile, settings, and the option to log out. From that menu, look for the option that says Log Out. The wording might be log out or sign out, but it will clearly indicate that it will end your current session. Click on Log Out. After a moment, Base44 will sign you out and you'll be taken back to the main sign-in page. Now that you're logged out, you can switch to a different account. On the sign-in page, you'll see a button or link that says Log In. Click on that. At this point, Base44 will either show you a list of accounts you've used before on this browser, or it will ask you to enter the credentials for a different account. If you see multiple account options, select the one you want to switch to. If you don't see the account listed, choose the option to use another account, then enter the email and password for that account and continue through the sign-in process as usual. Once you have completed that, you'll be logged in with the new account, and you should now see the dashboard, projects, and settings that belong to that account. To quickly recap, click your profile icon in the upper right, choose Log Out, then click Log In again and select or sign into the other account you want to use. That's all you need to do to log out and switch accounts in Base44.